myself and I. Let's keep it 1,000, man, you niggas living the lie. Middleman trying to play the plug and making no profit. I'm calling your bluff, niggas, stop it.
What's up, YouTube? I don't know why I have to make this video, but this is fucking crazy. Like, you come home, you expect to be safe, to be smart, lock your shit up. That's exactly what I did. Now, I want you to see this. Motherfuckers stole the rims and tires, stock rim and tire, off my Dodge Challenger.
Really, nigga?
Look at this, hold up. Y'all see that shit?
Oh! Somebody!
Stole the fucking rims and tires, the DipGodBo tires off that shit. It's embarrassing.
Gotcha, bitch!
Whoever did it is a bum ass nigga. Fuck. But let me go ahead and put some spare tires on that I got from my neighbor at my shop. Literally saw my post and helped me out. Hold up. This is what I got. So if y'all got any spare tires for a Dodge Challenger, hit me up, man. God damn.
We're going in. Yeah, I know I'm about to kill him. Could've been Superman, but I chose to be the villain. I'm what you never seen, I'm what you never heard of. Bet you when I leave the scene, I have them screaming blood and murder. Yeah, the cloud is in my vision. Take a look from where I'm sitting. You can see that I'm the king of the world. Yeah, I'm the king of the world. King of the world. Elvis Presley ain't no king, nigga. When I say king, I'm talking about I have a dream, nigga. Them people took us from our land to the one that they stole and showed us everything we wanted to gain the control. I'm the king of the world, bow down or you die. Please excuse the feathers I drop, I can't help that I'm fly. Nigga, if life's a gamble, then heaven is Vegas. I've been working on picking locks, her heaven is gated. I'm less than a god, but more than a man. Never been pussy, hold my dick in the palm of my hand. The celebration of
so with everything being said and done, I got the factory on there that one of my buddies gave me. I got the jack stand on there, the easy access when I get another tire. If one of y'all got a tire, spare tire, hit me up. I got this little, look at this shit, bro. This shit is the size of my car. Like, nigga, this armrest ass tire, dude.
Oh! He needs some milk.
This one looks perfect. I'm gonna have to sell this one. Sell both of the fronts. But new rims on the way. That's a good thing about it. Like I said, the robbers, they got my names on the tire. Like, literally, you know, people be like, oh, does it have your name on it? Like, that literally has my name on it, bro. Literally has my name on it, and y'all want to steal the shit, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and get upstairs and address this bullshit. One second. What's up, guys? I just felt like it's needed for me to put this message out. For whoever got my motherfucking tires that has my motherfucking name on it, bruh, change them tires, bro. Because people are looking for you. Straight like that. I'm looking for you. And, bruh, just change the tires, bro. Number one. Number two, from the dealership, you could probably get a whole set for like $500. So you have to get new tires. Like, why would you steal my rims and tires? They're not even special rims. They're stock fucking rims, bro. I'm sorry, I don't want to curse or nothing like that, but it's just like, damn, bro. Like, I didn't, bro.
Really, nigga?
Like, the one place you feel like you can be secure at, I've been here for 2 years, bruh. I ain't never had no issues with nothing other than the apartment complex myself, the maintenance man, of course, the people in the front office. But like, having issues with my personal vehicle, like, never, bruh. With everything going on in the world right now, bro, the person that did it, I'm glad I wasn't awake, because I came home at like 3 o'clock in the morning. Mind you, I came home, I was driving my Infiniti. The car was perfectly fine. You know what I'm saying? People told me they woke up and they're leaving to go to church at 8 a.m. and the tires were like that. And some of the neighbors, they said, oh, because, you know, I usually would work out of my garage before I bought my shop. They thought it was me. So they didn't think nothing of it. But in the same sense, like, bro, you see there's a whole brick under my car. You see the lug nut sitting right next to him. Like, bro, it's a robbery. You know what I'm saying? So once again, I'm gonna say it like this. If you got my tires, my rims and tires, change them tires out, bro. Because if you don't, and the glue on that bitch, it says DipGodBo, and I find out, or anybody finds out and they send me, bro, it's not gonna be good, bro. You know what I'm saying? Straight like that. The police have been notified. So if anybody out there is selling a set of 4 tires for Dodge rims, anything that Dodge rims, anything Dodge, if you're looking for anything Dodge right now, you're looking to sell anything Dodge right now, you're gonna be questioned about it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't play with people with shit like that, especially good people, bro. Like, I don't do nothing, bro. I literally make my money. I open my business so I can make more money, and I can put my touch on the world before, you know, my time expires here. But, bro, like, you don't even understand the feeling of walking down the stairs and seeing that. Like, bro, I didn't even see it. My girl, she walks outside because she wanted to grab something from her car. And she runs back in all frantic, like, what happened? Like, I was scared. I thought something was about to run into the house. Something was chasing her. So shit, you know what I did. And then she told me what happened. I'm dead ass sleep in boxers, laying in my bed. And she said all tires were gone on the car. I'm thinking it was my truck because I have the rims on there. You know, so I have the aftermarket rims. But one thing I do have on mine is I do have the lock nuts, lug nuts on there. So yeah, you ain't getting my shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? You ain't getting my shit. I didn't have it on the Challenger, so I got caught slipping. I knew it came up, but that's still not right, man. So my advice to everybody out there, of course, if you have any rim on your car, put lock nuts on there, bro. Lug nuts on there, because you never know, man. Like, you never know. Niggas is hungry, bro. I'm hungry, but I would never fuck with somebody's car. You can't fuck with somebody's car, their house, or like their family. Like, those are 3 things that are completely off limits. Like, come fuck with me. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. But it's also a blessing as well, because I went to my shop today to get my actual jack stand and my jack to try to lift the car up and at least get it on jack stands and not just have it sitting there looking abandoned, and like, that's embarrassing. So I went to my shop today, and my neighbor that actually owns the shop right next to me, he randomly was throwing out Dodge Charger rims, and I was just like, bruh. Like, when he approached me, he was like, hey man, I had some Dodge rims I was looking to get off. And I was like, oh, where the fuck did you get them from?
Oh!
And he was just like, oh no, I've been had them. I was just like, oh, okay, let me see them. So then he showed me them, and they were just completely stock Dodge Charger rims. And he only had 3 of them. One of them had a bent rim, so I wasn't even gonna try to put that on the car. 2 of them were perfectly good, so I went ahead and put that on the car, as y'all seen in the video. And then I took the donut that came with the car, I put that on the car. See, and my dog didn't even fucking bark. I know y'all heard that. I have a Rottweiler. This nigga is like 130 pounds, bro. This nigga stares out the window all fucking night, all day. And usually anytime he sees anybody like getting close to like where we normally would go when we walk him, he would bark. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, maybe he was asleep. You know what I'm saying? He was getting lit like me last night. So now I'm just looking for one more tire so I can put on the car. So if you have a Dodge Challenger, Charger, even if I take the spare, I just needed to get it to a store so I can put some actual rims on there and feel safe while I'm driving the car. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. If you got my rims, hey, it's all good. I'm blessed. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna stress about it, because it's only gonna make me want to do bigger and better things with my life and with the car itself. So I'm not gonna keep talking y'all to death. I just want to let you know that I need everybody to be safe out there. Know your rights and stand your ground. Make sure you protect yourself at all costs, because there's nothing more valuable in this world than your life. So on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I want to say RIP to George Floyd and any person that actually fell to the hands of an officer. The officers that I dealt with today were pretty cool. I mean, they gave me a lot of knowledge when it comes to just moving around in general. So not all police officers are bad. And to the officers that I spoke with today, I ain't gonna say y'all names, but y'all some cool ass motherfuckers, man, for real. And if I ever get pulled over by you, I better not get a ticket, bro.
Oh!
I better not get a ticket. But on that note, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, man. I need to get back to my regular content. I know I've been slacking on posting videos, but this is just something that I needed to post. I just make a PSA for the robbers that actually stole my rims, man. Good job, but hey, man, I'm blessed, man. I'm blessed. It's Sunday. I'm about to go head to the liquor store, man, and just clear my mind real quick. So on that note, man, y'all stay safe. Know your rights. Smash that subscribe button. Smash the like button on this video. Drop a comment if you see my rims anywhere in Orlando, Florida. Man, I'm giving out a reward, honestly. Find me my exact rims and tires, bro, and I will give you a reward. I'm not gonna say it on here because, you know, niggas is just gonna try to find regular Charger rims. I know exactly which rims because I put specific marks on my rims, especially when I was painting them, you know what I'm saying? So find my specific rims and hey, we'll talk, you know what I'm saying? But until then, y'all stay safe, stay blessed, stay out of trouble, and keep progressing. All right, we out.
In my eyes as a youngin', I was fooled into living the American dream, and I took my ass to school. I never finished cause they drug tested for every job, and I refused to be some bait to the crackers holding that fishing rod.